जिंदगी मांगो किसी से न मोहब्बत मांगो, जिंदगी मांगो किसी से न मोहब्बत मांगो, तख्त मांगो न कोई ताजो हुकूमत मांगो, झूठी दुनिया ये दुनिया की न शोहरत मांगो, झूठी दुनिया है ये दुनिया की न शोहरत मांगो, सिर्फ अल्लाह से तुम इल्म की दौलत मांगो। मोहतरम हजरात, आइए अंग्रेजी में तकरीर पेश करने के लिए मैं मोहम्मद अनस को दावत देता हूं कि वो आए और इल्म के मौजू पर अंग्रेजी में तकरीर पेश करें।
Good morning, all of you. Sitting here, honorable chief guest, manager, and coming here, all the men and women, and every student of my school. I want to express my idea on the occasion of annual function. If there is any mistake in my speech, please forget me. Education is one of the biggest weapon to get any aim of our life in this world. By the power of education, we can get victory in any impossible work and also improve our village and society. So it is our personal ideology. Every girls and boys try to get better education in their life, and then their qualified high school and intermediate examination. They should try to get technical education. After getting talent in any technical area, they would come out of the house. After using their wisdom, they would earn money for the way of living and also improve the economical condition to their family and country, and that their coming generation also could give the great contribution in the development of my country. On the other hand, I do not protest the non-technical education. It is our personal understanding. It is how to behave, speak, and anyone, and also explain the method, way of living. Thank you, everyone.